This is the one that changed the paradigm. The one that redefined the whole category of stand-up cabin business jets. It's the breakthrough concept called the Citation XL, the first business jet to combine all the stand-up comfort of a true mid-size cabin with the simplicity, economy, and mission flexibility of our legendary smaller Citations. And with some 275 deliveries since the first owner took off just 4 years ago, the XL stands as one of Cessna's most successful new product introductions ever. The XL can cruise at speeds of 430 knots, and with its maximum range nudging 2,100 nautical miles, it will travel farther than many light jets without the time-consuming fuel stops they require. The XL's spacious cabin is nearly 6 feet tall and 19 feet long, so it's as roomy inside as mid-sized jets costing half again as much. Yet it's far more agile, operating from short 3,500-foot runways that most mid-sized jets can only fly over. It is quite literally in a class by itself, because no other business jet in the world offers all the stand-up room and comfort of a true mid-size in such a versatile, affordable package. The Citation XL. It really is the best of all worlds rolled into one sure thing.